On a positive note, just to focus on today, like this is the most comprehensive affordable housing bill and most significant actually ever brought before Cabinet. This will give hope to people who feel that they've been locked out of the housing market, young couples and individuals who are working very, very hard, who are stuck maybe paying very high rents and don't see any hope for them actually owning their own home at an affordable rate. And that's why the measures today are so important and so significant. They will help boost supply. There is no question about that, because it shows that government will be central, and I actually do believe that government should be involved in helping people reach that, achieve the noble and honest aspiration that it is for one to own one's own home at an affordable rate. And coupled with that, I'm bringing in the very first piece of legislation that's going to bring about a national cost rental scheme, which is a new form of housing tenure for people above the social housing limits, for working people that are there who will be able to rent at an affordable rate and a long-term secure state-backed rent. So it's very significant.